Hey everyone, I am Dr. Nimit, 38-year-old husband, dad of two, and a full-time working guy. Few months ago, I was 75 kilos and dealing with mild hypertension, but it's under control now. Today, with consistent efforts, I am 66 kilos and chasing something most people think it's impossible at 40s. Yes, it's six-pack abs. Will I get there? Honestly, I don't know, but I have the zeal and discipline to try. And I'll share every step with you. No filters, no fake promises, just a real journey. So, subscribe and let's find.
Ready? It's office time. Hi बच्चास. Hi बबलू. So I want to address today on one of the important topics related to fitness, that is post meal walking. Many of times people say that you need to walk for 10-15 minutes. So what is this? What are their advantages scientifically? What I have studied, I'm telling you. In 2016, in a health journal, a diabetic journal, an article was published where it's been written that if you walk 30 minutes a day at any time, and if you walk 10 minutes after three major meals, so they compared it and they checked the sugar levels, and what they found out was that 10-minute walking post meal had a significant impact rather than anytime 30-minute walking. And that walk is also not high intensity walking, just a few steps, simple walks where your heart rate remains at around 90 to 100. So it's like a normal walking just. Now, why they say this post meal walking at least 10 minutes to 15 minutes is so much of importance? It has few of the scientific reasons. Number one, when you eat, your blood glucose level gradually rises because your stomach digests the glucose. So the glucose level from the food rises, and when it reaches the spike, they will release insulin. Now, insulin is an anabolic hormone, so it will try and store all the glucose in a form of fat if it's not utilizing. And at the same time, if you are walking, your glucose level will not peak, so the insulin release won't get peaked. So the chances of glucose to get converted to fat would be quite less. Number one. So very good postprandial glucose control, less insulin rise, less glucose spike. Number one, and a major reason. Second reason, your blood flow to the skeletal muscle increases. Your skeletal muscles get activated, and that produces vasodilation that would be help in reducing the blood pressure. Sorry for all the noise and the background disturbances. Third most important reason is the lipoprotein lipase activity. The lipoprotein lipase is an enzyme which is there present in your cell and which mainly metabolizes the fat, your triglyceride, right? So it will get stimulated. That is one more reason. And the last reason, majorly, you can say, is on fat metabolism. Your exclusive fat metabolism will rise and without the protein loss. So, simple 10 to 15-minute walk post meal, not rising your heart rate, is of extremely important. Hopefully, the concepts are clear now.